Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing eBay, how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money or start a new business? Selling on eBay could be the solution for you. In this video, we'll go through the basics of how to make money on eBay, as well as some tips and advice to help you get started. First, let's talk about creating a seller account. To start selling on eBay, you first need to create a seller account. You can do this by going to the eBay website and clicking on the sell link at the top of the page. Creating a seller account is free, but there are some fees associated with selling on eBay, such as listing fees, final value fees, and PayPal fees. Next, let's talk about listing your items. After you have created your seller account, you can start listing items for sale. To list an item, go to the eBay website and click on the sell link at the top of the page. Then, click on the List an Item button. You will need to provide some basic information about the item you're selling, including a title and description. You will also need to choose a category for your item and set a starting price. Finally, you will need to decide how long you want your listing to run for. After your item has sold, you will need to ship it to the buyer. Shipping costs will vary depending on the size and weight of your item, as well as the shipping method you choose. You can either ship your item yourself or use a shipping service like eBay's Global Shipping Program, GSP. Now let's talk about some tips for making more money on eBay. First, you'll want to find items that are in high demand and selling for a high price. Look for items that are selling faster than others in their category, and research what similar items have sold for in the past. You can also check out trends on Google and other social media platforms to see what people are talking about and searching for. Next, you'll want to create great listings. Your listings are what will sell your items, so it's important to take the time to create great ones. Use high-quality photos, clear and concise descriptions, and helpful keywords so that buyers can easily find your listings. Another important way to make more money on eBay is by offering great customer service. This includes responding promptly to questions, being honest in your descriptions, packaging items carefully, and shipping items quickly. By providing a positive buying experience, you'll encourage buyers to come back to you again in the future. Finally, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid when selling on eBay. First, be aware of the fees and charges associated with selling on eBay. eBay charges listing fees as well as final value fees, and these fees can add up if you're not careful. Be sure to factor in all of the fees when you're calculating your profits. Next, be aware of scams and fraudulent activity on eBay. Be sure to research any seller you're thinking about doing business with. And never pay for anything until you've received the item and are satisfied with it. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Lastly, try to avoid negative feedback. Negative feedback can damage your reputation on eBay, so it's important to avoid it if possible. Be sure to ship your items promptly and describe them accurately in your listings. If a buyer is unhappy, try to resolve the issue in a timely and professional manner. That's it for our video on eBay, how to make money online. Remember to find items that are in high demand, create great listings, and offer great customer service. Be aware of the fees and charges, watch out for scams and fraudulent activity, and try to avoid negative feedback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.